Now let's talk about HHS, which is a central database. It is stand for Home Subscriber Server. The Home Subscriber Server is a critical component shared by both CS and PS domains. It stores subscriber information such as user profile, authentication details, and service subscriptions. The HSS replace the HSS replaces older systems like Home Location Register and Authentication Center, making subscriber management more efficient. Now let's talk about external connectivity, which are PSTN and PDNs. The core network connects to external networks to ensure global communication. PSTN stands for Public Switch Telephone Network, which allows mobile calls to reach landlines and other networks. PDNs stands for Packet Data Networks, which provides internet access and other data services via gateway GPRS port nodes, also known as GGSNs.